Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide apps in your Android phone without using any third-party application, just from the settings. Now as you can see here, I have WhatsApp on my home screen and I also have WhatsApp in my app screen or app drawer. Now let's start the process. All you have to do is just go to your phone settings. Now from here, scroll down and go to home screen, and then scroll down again, and here you can see hide apps on home screen and app screen. Just tap on it, and here you will see the list of all the applications that you have on your phone. So you can just scroll down and find the apps that you want to hide, and then just select them and they will come to this hidden apps section. You can also search for the application that you want to hide. So if I search for WhatsApp, you can see that it came up, and if I tap here, it will go to the hidden apps section. Now once you're done selecting all the applications, just tap on done, and we have just hid those applications on our phone. And now if I go to my home screen, you can see that WhatsApp is not in here anymore, and if I go to my app drawer or app screen, you can see that WhatsApp is not in here anymore. And now when you need to reuse those applications, just go to your settings again, and then home screen, and then hide apps, and then just remove the application from the hidden apps section, and then tap on done. And now if I go to my app drawer or app screen, WhatsApp is back again, and now I can use it. And that is how you can hide an application on your Android phone without using any third-party application and just from the settings. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.